Well, hello. Welcome back to the House of Valentina. I'm Valentina, and I am so excited about today's video. You guys are, I've got like the high-pitched voice. I'm like, calm down, woman, okay? I am so excited because while we were in New York, I got to go to the H&M Home in New York City. And I'm telling you right now, I was so giddy. I thought I was going to just squeal and scream and they were gonna kick me out of the store. I was so excited about being there, and I took you guys with me, okay? Because there is no way I was gonna go to H&M Home without taking you guys with me. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. We're prone to going shopping in all of our favorite places and taking you guys with us. But let's jump in and let's go shopping in New York City at H&M Home. Let's go. And we are off, guys. I love getting to go to an H&M home store and getting to touch all the different things. And this was such a treat. They have got so much bright color in right now. So to all my color lovers, you are going to be in heaven, but do not worry if you're like me and you love some monochrome, that is gonna be coming too. But they have so many different types of vessels. I loved the shape of this bowl kind of tray piece. I was thinking that would be beautiful in a bathroom or maybe even just sitting out like on the coffee table. You can see here where I've really tried to calm myself down and let you see the pans here because I know I get kind of excited and just want to show you all the different things. But they have got some beautiful vases that are back in stock, and that is really exciting news because a lot of these sold out. I have this set, it's been sold out for so long, and now these are back in stock. So you definitely wanna check the website. Of course, if you're in the New York area, you can go and check these things out. But they had the vases and the candles that I recently showed you guys. On top of that though, they have all sorts of just really beautiful pillows and different pieces. Here you can see where I was showing you the pieces that I showed you in the last video that I personally have been enjoying. I hope some of you got those as well. This is what I realized later is the asymmetrical vase, and they've got some unusual pieces. The mahogany candle smells absolutely amazing. I gave it a thumbs up so I would remember, yes, this is a good one, and it smells a little bit like, almost like a little bit kind of like tobacco, and it's got a really warm kind of smell. It's amazing. Here you can see lots of color mixed in with neutrals. So I feel like there's something here for everybody. Let's give you some decor ideas for the kitchen because I really love to put a vase, a candle, and some decor into the kitchen. And H&M is the perfect place to go, whether you're decorating the kitchen or any other room in the house. I really do love to go to them. They are an amazing source for candles. I buy their candles all the time. I really do love pretty much every single scent I've ever ordered from them. I don't think there's one that I've never liked. They all smell really good. They're made with really clean ingredients, and they're always super affordable. So I've been trying out the basil. I've had the dark leather. I love so many of the different fragrances. So I think you can just grab whichever one sounds good to you because it's gonna be amazing. Now, there were some new vases here. You see these glass pieces. Those were some of the new in items. You can also see a little bit of the ad here where there's a lot of color. So there's a lot to choose from right now, depending on what your personal style is. I thought that these glass pieces were absolutely gorgeous. You could do the candlestick holders, you could do the vases. These look amazing sitting out in just about any space that you're going to have. You can see where they've got these gorgeous bohemian pieces. You can bring those into a very sophisticated home and create a really elevated look with those. You don't have to just stick to one style. And I think that that sort of bohemian feel definitely has a bit of summer to me. And so if you want to look for something that has a bit more of a summery feel to it, I think these pieces really do bring the sense of warmth and sun into our homes. Some other pieces to check out, there's some gorgeous vases. I don't know that these are back in stock. I will check, and if they are, I will link them down below. I got mine last year and they were sold out for forever. So that's what I'm saying. So many pieces that I've loved and are back in stock. Definitely check out their rugs. I was so impressed with how thick and well made these rugs are. If you remember, I ordered one in our recent haul. That one was not here in the store, so definitely check online for the rugs because they are amazing. Another thing that you guys know that I'm a little bit obsessed with is the pillows at H&M because they really make some incredible pillows. Again, so many different styles. I have so many of their pillow covers. Once you buy the inserts, you can just change those pillow covers out and have a new look. And I think that's why it's so much fun. Look at this with the little scallop on it. I have them like that where they're just straight around the border, and it's one of my favorite things. I absolutely loved this doormat. They had a few actually that were really, really pretty, and I handed the camera over to Jack so I could start to show you guys a little bit more. Unfortunately, the music was so loud in the store, so even though we were actually trying to talk to you guys, you couldn't hear any of it. But look at these pillows. I have not seen that one before, and I just loved it. I thought that linen was stunning. I loved the fringing on it. I also have a lot of these pillows. I've shown them to you before. This is the linen that has less detail on it. I have a collection of these as well. I use them all the time in my design projects because they're really simple. And so sometimes you want to have something that's really simple. Sometimes you might want to have something with a little bit more of a pop of color, like these little yellow ones. I wanted to show you guys because I know some of you ask all the time, where is the color on this channel? Well, it's at the store. Okay, so you can bring it home if you are a color lover. Shop at H&M. They actually come out with a lot of those pillows in different colorways, so you can pick whichever color really just makes you happy. No matter what color you choose to do in your home, there are so many beautiful vase options at H&M. You can see I really love the ones that have a beautiful sculptural feel. This color reminded me of Greece, so I just had to show this to you guys because my mom would freak over this. And my favorite vase, I have the gray one, and now they have the clear and the blue. So you can see how H&M really does have something for every single style, and I think that's why it's always so much fun to shop there. Even these little cone candles, what do you guys think of those? I wasn't really sure. I was like, oh, I think I love them, but I don't know. That's different. I've never bought anything like that before. So you guys will have to let me know what you think. But we just kept moving around, checking everything out. This is a blanket that I personally own and really, really love. If you get in close, it's got a really pretty weave in it. They've got this other one that's got the chevron pattern in it, or is that herringbone? I'm not sure. But some of these things have been sold out online for a while, so that is the fun of being able to go to the store. But don't let that deter you. I shop and check back all the time on the website to find new things. Like, I'd never realized they had these baskets, and they were so pretty in person. And so I'm really glad that we actually got this opportunity because I couldn't believe how beautiful these baskets were, and I've never even noticed them on the website. So definitely check out the website for sure. Oh, this is one of my favorite planters that I have, and they had it in matte black. They really have a lot of really great options for plant. Yep, there you go. That's the one I have at home. I really love it. I use it actually as a vase more than a planter in my house, but that's the fun thing about these pieces is that once you have them, you can really mix them up. I have this blanket as well in a couple colorways, and it's one of my favorites. I actually need to check the website and see if it's back in stock there because I'll probably be bummed out if it's not because I was thinking, oh, I should take one of these home. And I was like, oh, I'll just buy it off the website. It's back in stock. Hopefully it is. But these neutrals are gorgeous. You're going to love their blankets. You're going to love the linens. They are so soft. I don't know where they source their linen from, but it is some of the softest linen you will ever touch. And it just gets softer with time. I totally freaked over this new collection. It looks like a Greek key to me. You guys can tell me it's a great key, isn't it? I was like, oh my gosh, how do I get this home for my mom? It's Greek and it's blue. I also loved this hotel style coffee cup. They really have some beautiful porcelain pieces. I own quite a bit of the porcelain pieces from H&M, and the quality is amazing. These are I was telling you guys, this is salt and pepper little sellers. I have those and I love them. These are pieces that once you buy them, you're gonna keep forever. They're really good quality. The picture like this, I would definitely check all of these things out because the porcelain pieces on H&M are actually really beautiful quality and they do sell out. Unfortunately, they sell out really fast. So if you want them, I would just grab them. I was showing you guys how I just got those salad spoons, tongs, whatever they're called. I really love that. You really can get so many items and look super sophisticated if you want. But yeah, it's really nice because they really do just stock so many items. Another thing that I buy all the time on H&M, and I don't know that I tell you guys about this as much, but one of the things I really love are the towels. I use their towels all the time. I have a complete set that I use like for my workouts, and I have a set for like everyone's bathroom. I really love their towels. They're really high quality, and they always come in a lot of different colors. So you can get them in pink, you can get them in yellow. Definitely check out their beach towels as well. Here in the store, they only had the colored ones, which is good news for all my color lovers. But stay tuned to the end. I'm gonna be sharing some extra items that were not in the store, but ones I think you guys will be interested in. These Turkish towels are one of my favorite things. And they really just had gorgeous quality. I was pretending that we were on an Instagram reel, but there was no transition. I'm just showing you the hand towels again. It's because I really love them. They're really classic. And I've had mine now, the original ones that I bought when we lived in Europe. I've literally had them for about 10 years. So they're really, really great. I bought them when H&M Home first came out. Look at these pieces of furniture. The furniture is not available in the US. I do think some of it is available in Europe. So if you are one of my European viewers, you'll have to let us know in the comment section if you are able to get the furniture pieces. I would really love to know that. They're beautiful, and that's really fun. You can see now I'm off to the linens for the beds. It's because they really sell so many beautiful linens. I loved this one with the little stitching detail in it. It was so soft. And that's what I love, is that you can go and you can find so many beautiful basic items, and it just gives you something different, keeps your bedroom feeling fresh. I have the white. It's one of my favorite things. That's what I was telling you guys. I hate that you can't hear my voice, but I was telling you guys I own this. I love it. It comes in green. I think I look concerned, but actually I was kind of like amazed. I was like, oh my gosh, can you believe they have all these beautiful colors? I mean, look at this. Here it looks a little bit gray, but actually that was more of like a really pale sage green. They had this gorgeous camel color, and I'm telling you right now, that linen, you will love it. It's really, really soft, and I've had that as well for many years, and it just softens and softens over time, and it's just so luxurious to sleep in. Finally, I was showing you guys the linens for dining. So that it would include tablecloths. They've got gorgeous napkins, beautiful kitchen towels. I was telling you guys, I was thinking maybe you could hear me, but no, the music was too loud. But I have so much of the linen. Again, linen is just very in, especially right now during the summer, but you will not be disappointed. I really love these products. I use them all the time. They're so inexpensive, and you can just take simple plates like these. I was showing you guys the stoneware that they have. They have so many beautiful cups. You can set a gorgeous table and really just, make everyday food just taste better. I think serving it in something that's just so lovely. Oh yeah, look at the garlic keeper. Is that not just the cutest thing you've ever seen? I know, I was freaking out. I've shown you guys these glasses. I love the bubbles in them. They're so affordable, beautiful quality. And our final little thing that we were looking at was the stoneware set that I have. We have these at home. We have a whole set of them. They're wonderful. If you can get your hands on these pieces, I highly suggest grabbing them because they're really just great quality, and we've been so pleased. I was so giddy that I was just having so much fun looking at everything. But afterwards I realized, man, I got a little bit spoiled by the location in Copenhagen, because in Copenhagen, they had the concept store. So I'm gonna leave a link for that video for you as well, because if you didn't see that video that we did last year when we were visiting Copenhagen, oh my word, that store was unbelievable. This store was really just a floor, and even just like a partial floor of the store. So I loved it and I enjoyed every second, but it wasn't quite to that level. Do you know what I'm saying? The other thing that I noticed was that they didn't have all of the very latest stock. If you get online, I have things in my cart. Of course I do. I have a few extra things that I wanted to point out to you that are super amazing. They have the asymmetrical stoneware collection that is absolutely gorgeous. I've got it sitting in my cart right now. It comes in a couple different sizes, beautiful vases. They also have gorgeous large glass vases. They've got them in several different colors if you like more of a smoky look or if you like more of like a hammered glass look. They've got several collections like that I really love, and they didn't have those in that store. They also have a new terracotta planter and like the little saucer that's out that comes in a couple colors. I also absolutely love the beach towels. They've got the beach towels. I've been buying their beach towels for years. I always buy the H&M beach towels. They're so fun, they're so affordable. They've got some with such pretty patterns in them. I just love them. I love the stripe. I love the one with the little kind of like pain kind of look in it. Gorgeous. They also have a new merino wool throw. I was like, that looks so high end. It's stunning. So then, and then the porcelain set. They've got a plant pot, the porcelain box, and a porcelain vase that are absolutely stunning. The white with the black stripe. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to place another order. Even though I know, I just placed an order before, but that's okay, because that's what you do, because with H&M Home, it sells out. So you kind of have to grab it when it comes into stock. And so yeah, I just had to tell you because I don't want to wait until the next video because it's going to be sold out by then, okay? The other thing was the tall metal pedestal bowl. It comes in a couple colors and it is beautiful. Another thing that I think that you should also add, which was not in their home section, but I am telling you, this is one of my favorite things I've ever bought off H&M. That is their satin pajamas. I have the satin pajamas and I have the satin robe. It is amazing. They have pockets. They fit like so beautifully. I love them. I own them in at least 3 colors. Yeah, I've got them in black, navy, the cream color, and I've got them in pink. So yeah, no, I buy them every time they come out with a new color. I literally love them. They are amazing. And I just love the cut and the fit. It's just perfection. So those are just a couple extra items that I think that you'll want to add to your cart as well. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know that it was a lot of fun for us, and it's just fun to be able to get out a little bit and to get to see something new. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna leave all the links for all the items down below in the show notes if you want to do a little bit of shopping or if you just want to find some new inspiration. It'll all be down there, down below. So cheers, you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one, which we will be able to do if you hit subscribe. So don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. All right, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.